आपने आखिर अपनी मॉडलिंग जर्नी चालू कैसे की?
मेरी मासी ने मुझे एक नेवी क्वीन कॉन्टेस्ट में जबरदस्ती भेज दिया था एंड एज लक वुड हैव इट मैं नेवी क्वीन बन गई. सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई पुट मेकअप ऑन माय फेस. आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड फॉर मिस इंडिया. दैट मिस इंडिया वाज अ वेरी टफ मिस इंडिया बिकॉज इट हैड पीपल लाइक लारा दत्ता, प्रियंका चोपड़ा,
Okay.
Riya Mirza, Bhavna Sharma, who's now a stylist. She's
Yeah.
also been a supermodel.
Welcome back to another episode of Talk and Talk with Manu and Xander. Today we have India's the most successful supermodel, Lakshmi Rana. Now she is also a owner of a modeling grooming school. आपने आखिर अपनी मॉडलिंग जर्नी चालू कैसे की?
Well, कोई plans नहीं थे. जिसे कहते हैं ना कि destiny is everything and what you plan may not turn out to be what you aimed for. I was born and brought up in Guwahati. I'm an army kid. पापा फिर करीब when I was in class 8 we shifted to Dehradun which is our hometown. I was usually doing very well in my studies.
हाँ, मैंने सुना आपका एयरफोर्स में सिलेक्शन हो गया था.
हाँ, वो मैं बताती हूँ. So जब मैं देहरादून पहुंची, I had to do about a 4-hour test to get into this school called Brightland School. Not many people had heard about it then, but it was run by this amazing gentleman called Mr. Ravi Narang. We were the first batch that passed out of 12th, and you'd be surprised कि हमारे batch में 100% जो students थे, they all got about 85% and above. So it was a purely academic school. There were no too much of sports. सिर्फ पढ़ाई का कीड़ा था. तो मॉडलिंग की कोई गुंजाइश या ख्वाब बिल्कुल भी नहीं थे. So I was preparing for engineering colleges. I had this की एक passion था, which is for fighter aircrafts and planes. मेरे देहरादून का कमरा था. कमरे में अभी भी आप देखोगे तो उसमें fighter aircraft that time F-14, F-16 के पोस्टर्स लगे होते थे कि इतनी ज्यादा वो थी कि मुझे I want to fly. So that was there and yet I was also concentrating on my studies. मेरी मासी ने मुझे एक नेवी क्वीन कॉन्टेस्ट में जबरदस्ती भेज दिया था, इमोशनली ब्लैकमेल करके.
जबरदस्ती मॉडल बना दिया, बताओ जी. हाँ, सुपर मॉडल बन गए.
Who knew? And as luck would have it, मैं नेवी क्वीन बन गई. क्या करना था उसमें, सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस आंसर करने थे. I was good at debates. क्वेश्चन आंसर करना इजी था. So that was the first time I put makeup on my face. वो हो गया and then I started getting these those local shows नहीं होते देहरादून में, उसके ऑफर्स आने लगे.
देहरादून फैशन वीक.
देहरादून I'm an army kid, so parents were strict and they said तुम्हें अगर इसमें कुछ करना है. उस टाइम सबसे highest platform was Miss India. There's this model called Poonam Nath, if you remember. She has done a lot of shows in the yesteryears. Now she shifted abroad. She had come for a show in Doon Club from Delhi and I was there for the show and she looked at me and she said, Lakshmi, you should try for Miss India. So I asked some advice from her. She gave me कहाँ जाके portfolio कराना है. So thankfully I got the right advice from somebody who knew the industry at that point of time. Yeah. So and उस समय जब मैंने मम्मा को कहा कि मुझे करीब 20,000 रुपए चाहिए पोर्टफोलियो बनाने के लिए, my mom was like, excuse me, 20,000 रुपए. I said हाँ. So if I have to give it a shot, थोड़े बहुत पैसे खर्च करने पड़ेंगे.
हम डेट नहीं पूछेंगे कि आपने पोर्टफोलियो कब बनवाया था, पर काफी कॉस्टली था उस समय.
Well, 2000 का मिस इंडिया था तो you can imagine 2000 से पहले ही होगा.
So ये बात भी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि पोर्टफोलियो अच्छा बनवाने के लिए कॉस्ट लगती है. लोगों को लगता है कि वो फ्री में बना लेंगे. फ्री में इतना अच्छा काम होता नहीं है, कोलैबोरेशन में इससे उससे. Then you always get some आधे मन का काम, right?
Absolutely.
You have to pay for a good portfolio.
But the good thing is that I got the right information. कि किससे कराना है. उस time there was Suva Das who was very famous in Delhi.
Yeah, Suva Das is
Yes, and can you believe it that at that point of time Deepa Verma. Now if people who don't know कि Deepa Verma कौन है, वो आज सबसे बड़ी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है in the country. And at that point she was also starting off. So I got my makeup by one of the best and my portfolio at that point of time from one of the best. And I got the portfolio done and उस एक portfolio के basis में I got selected for Miss India. I went in for it. That Miss India was a very tough Miss India because it had people like Lara Datta, Priyanka Chopra, Riya Mirza, Bhavna Sharma, who's now a stylist. She's also been a supermodel. There was Tulip Joshi who became Bollywood actress भी.
Right.
So it was a very very tough batch.
Tough competition. मतलब सब कुछ ना कुछ बन ही गए उस बैच के.
सब कुछ ना कुछ बन ही गए और I reached the top 5. There was a tiebreaker. So it was an interesting world. And उसके बाद how I actually broke into the modeling industry because somebody picked me up from Miss India because they saw my walk there. That's what I say. It's destiny. That time, incidentally, the first fashion week was happening in the country, which is the Lakme Fashion Fashion Week.
The first Lakme.
The first Lakme Fashion Week that happened in the country. And I remember going in for my auditions के लिए गई थी to one of the most famous choreographers, Appu Tania. You know, and I went to Appu's house. Models already selected थे.
मैं भी गया था.
Oh, you did? And उस समय Madhu Sapre, Bipasha Basu, Jessie Randhawa, models like those were there. And I remember मैं गई वहाँ पे audition के लिए and they asked me to walk and they got so excited to see me walk and they said, you know, you're in. And I got
Because
to...
Lakshmi doesn't walk, she glides. That's what Poojan said.
And I think it was a lot.
Quite true, yeah.
I got selected for the first India Lakme Fashion Week in the country, and uske baad there was no looking back because you get to work with the best
With the
of
best.
the best in the industry.